Looking for professional Phoenix Day porter services? At System4 of Phoenix, we offer dedicated day porter solutions to keep your facility clean, organized, and running smoothly all day long. Our day porters handle everything from restroom maintenance and trash removal to lobby upkeep and restocking supplies. We ensure your building stays in pristine condition for both employees and visitors. With a focus on high-traffic areas, our day porters work behind the scenes to maintain cleanliness and address any issues immediately. You can trust us to create a welcoming environment for your business. Need quick response to unexpected spills or messes? Our day porters are always on hand to tackle those situations right away, preventing any disruption to your business operations. Plus, we don't just clean. We also monitor your facility to spot potential maintenance issues before they become bigger problems. It's all part of our comprehensive service to keep your space looking its best. Whether it's a corporate office, retail store, or healthcare facility, our services are customized to fit the needs of your property. We work around your schedule to minimize any disruption to your operations. At System4 of Phoenix, our team is trained to handle any cleaning or maintenance task, providing prompt, professional service that you can count on. Give us a call today at 602-314-6800 or visit https:/system4phoenix.com building maintenance/day porter services to schedule your day porter services. Let us help you maintain a clean, efficient workspace.